that even if you take away this fame, I have a good life, which means I reconnected with my old friends from IIT who knew me before I was famous. So
हाँ.
they are friends with me anyway. With
But
my
you lost touch in with
lost
them.
touch
हाँ.
and reconnected. I reconnected with my kids while I was very busy in my career. I had spent less time with them. Now they're older, they're in college, but I feel I have a better relationship with them because I'm there for them, present. I reduce the amount of work I do. But what work I do it for my satisfaction. Like I told you, I am happy with this book, which is very different from क्या होगा अगले हफ्ते जब बुक आएगी. It's okay, of course I'll track it, but I'm happy,
हम्म.
you know.
क्या ये
So
विपासना की वजह से हुआ है?
yeah, I think so. I did Vipassana this year as part of
आई
that.
नो दैट, मैंने पढ़ा.
So it was
हाउ वाज इट?
it's crazy.
बट
Have you done
मैंने
it?
कभी नहीं की, बट
You
मुझे
should do.
मुझे जानना है सीरियसली.
You should go.
क्या होता
If you're
है?
getting that curiosity, then
हाँ.
go.
मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुन लिया, लाइक पीपल
No,
हूएवर हैव टोल्ड
if
मी.
you're curious about it,
हाँ.
which means there is something in you which is fascinated towards it,
हाँ.
then go. It is very difficult.
ओके.
I'm a people person. I'm connected to society a lot. To suddenly your phone gets taken away and you cannot talk and you're made to sit on the floor and meditate for 9 hours a day. It is a definition of hell for the first 3 days. Everything hurts. We're not used to sitting on the
हाँ,
floor.
सही बात है.
And there is nobody you can complain to because you're not even allowed to talk.
और आर यू अलाउड टू एग्जिट इफ यू वांट टू एनी टाइम?
They strongly recommend not to,
अच्छा.
especially midway, because you're, and some people do exit. Day 1, 2 पे ही mostly exits हो जाते हैं. And your mind find ways to exit. Convince हो जाता है ये कमरा ठीक नहीं है, खाना ठीक नहीं है, हाँ हाँ मैं कर समझ गया क्या था ये. But I went with my friend from IIT Delhi only, Yashish Dhaiya, who started this company, Policy Bazaar.
ओह वाओ.
And both of us had told each other एक दिन करेंगे. So हम गए. तो अब दोनों गए तो you know,
दोस्त है,
हाँ
संभाल लेंगे.
कैसे मतलब like who quits चैलेंज भी हो जाता ना कि मतलब कौन छोड़ेगा रेस. And the other thing was he's running Policy Bazaar, which means he gets 100 messages an hour about
Right.
company business.
Right.
मैं कहा, अगर ये कर सकता है तो मैं तो यार राइटर हूँ. But then I did it. By day 3 and 4 your mind clears because you're not taking any new inputs. You know, you're not talking, you're not getting phone calls, you're not seeing content. और जो आपके ब्रेन के अंदर खिचड़ी पक रही होती है एग्जिस्टिंग थॉट्स की, वो भी धीरे धीरे मेल्ट हो जाती है. एंड देन योर मेडिटेशन ऑल्सो हैज बिकम बेटर. यू लर्नड, यू सिटिंग ऑन द फ्लोर, पेन इज लिटिल लेस, and that's when you really go deep inside you and you see there is a subconscious mind we all have this is all scientific also. This is subconscious mind which we never access because our conscious mind, the 10% on top of the cognitive mind, the logical mind, is filled with thoughts all the time, so it dominates our current focus.
Like system 1, system 2.
There is a focus. there is a focus, you can say like a cursor होता है ना, जैसे
Yeah.
वर्ड फाइल में कर्सर आता है, वो किधर है, वो इस वक्त ऑलवेज टुवर्ड्स थिंकिंग पैटर्न्स. वो हटा दो, देन यू सी व्हाट एल्स इज देयर, एंड दैट्स योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड व्हिच इज memories and emotions. In the conscious mind you have logic, thoughts, action plans, but here it's a very big part of you which is just memories and emotions. Some emotions come and go, but some become wrapped up like a hard stone and stay in those memories and keep giving you pain. It could be as simple as you were a child and someone insulted you as a birthday party. You've forgotten about it and your logical mind has so many thoughts कि अभी आप वो सोचते ही नहीं, but वो एक पत्थर की तरह आपके उसमें है and it's causing pain. ऐसे कई सारे होते हैं. And if you let yourself access that and combined with the pain you're feeling in your knees because you sit on the floor, it all feels one. And then slowly you let that pain melt away and it's gone. Whereas if you have a lot of accumulated pain, what happens is your subconscious mind tells the conscious mind, I'm in pain. Okay? Conscious mind is actually trying to help the subconscious mind. It's a little monkey, like a pet monkey. Okay, let me get you a cigarette. And then you have it and you feel good. Thodi dear baad, I'm in pain. Okay, one more cigarette. And before you know, you're addicted. Alcohol, any of the distractions, sex, I don't know, whatever it is you find, food. But then you realize that the pain is coming from this little emotional स्टोन रैप्ड इन क्लिंग फिल्म वहां पड़ा हुआ है, उसको अगर मैं फोकस करूं अपने आप को एंड वेयर इट्स फीलिंग इन माय बॉडी एंड आई एक्सेस इट, इट विल जस्ट मेल्ट अवे, इट जस्ट मेल्ट्स अवे. So it can be extraordinarily powerful if you let it, if you treat it right. It is, I call it brain surgery. It felt like that to me. Much calmer. Ideally, you should come back and continue the meditation. मैं इतनी नहीं करता, to be honest. Few minutes here, there, flight में कर ली. But it's extraordinarily powerful.
How do people meditate, or how should they meditate?
That they teach you first 3 days, you just focus on your nose.
अच्छा.
And in and out breath, because होता ही नहीं.
हाँ.
उसके बाद they make you do a body scan. Like they
कि अपने
make you
यहाँ माइंड पे फोकस करो,
mind पे करो,
हाथ
नाक
पे
पे करो,
फोकस
होठ
करो.
पे, every little part of your body. Idea is, I also am very interested in the neuroscience.
हाँ.
So I combine the two. So I think they do it from a Buddhist tradition. But what they're doing is something called interospection. When exterospection is when you are focusing on the outside world.
हाँ.
When you do all this, you realize the sensations happening in your body and you are cut off from the outside world. Another way to cut off and go in. When you go to the sensation of body, that subconscious mind ki jo pain hai, you realize where it is. And it's a constant pain.
Because there is a mind to body connection.
हाँ, mind and body same hai.
अच्छा.
There is no difference. It's just, we are same. It's like gut में भी neurons हैं. It's just a organic matter which became, a fetus becomes brain and a heart and, it's all a clump of cells. So it's all same. It's just some areas have become specialized in something. So yes, it's all connected.
When you